Have you ever woken up and been woefully unprepared to face another day? Does the thought of climbing out of your warm bed out into the harsh, confusing cold of your closet terrify you on a regular basis? Are you often mocked for your clashing clothing choices that mark you as an out-of-touch hipster? Well, that's tough, but do we have an app for you? Our clothing organizer takes all the pain, sadness, and existential dread out of choosing clothing and turns it into a fun, streamlined process that fits in your pocket. Introducing iCloset, the modern solution to the eternal problem of nakedness and a lack of fashion sense. It stores your clothing and designs stylish outfits for you at the touch of a button. Whoa! Now that's what I call the future. It can also store these outfits, making it capable of saving you precious seconds of mind-bending consideration every day. With all these powerful features, our app fills the hole in your heart that you never knew you had.
Wait, what was that? What does it even do?
Here, let me show you. Welcome to iCloset, personalized app for keeping track of your clothing and generating stylish outfits all on your mobile device. Here's our homepage. With its soothing pastels, welcoming description, and a snazzy icon right next to the clever title, users know exactly what they want to do. Let's enter. This is the home page of iCloset, and with 4 colorful options to choose from, it's hard to decide where to go next. However, these colors don't really suit me, so let's change our colors in our preferences. By selecting preferences, we can change our theme. Let's see. How about eco? Okay. Okay, maybe not. Let's go back. How about just the regular, colorful, old app theme? It looked pretty nice. Okay, so for a closet app, let's do what's natural. Let's check out the closet. Alright, it already has some clothes in it, and very stylish. This tie-dye shirt, very nice. We have the options to update and delete, if we so please, but the tie-dye, perfect as is. However, let's add some new clothes. How about a jacket? Ooh, nice. So you can just line up the nice jacket overlay within the picture. That's, yeah, pretty solid. Okay, you take the picture, and there. Got it. Okay. And then now all you have to do is just select that it's a jacket. You get to choose what color the jacket is. Blue, I would say. And then choose a weather, probably cold weather, and probably a casual jacket. Let's put a note in here as well. UCSD or represent. Okay, and now that we're done, let's just hit done, and yeah, the jacket's there now. And we can look at it, has all the various fields we populated, and it's ready to be worn. And to wear clothes, you can use another exciting feature of our app, making outfits. And with that, you can go to the stylist from either the home page or the nifty taskbar at the bottom of the screen. On our stylist page, we have a nice representation of what your outfit will look like, with obviously one more shoe than it has on the picture. Let's start with this shirt. You can make an outfit by selecting the shirt icon and then choosing one of the shirts listed in your closet. Nice. Same with pants. There we go. And shoes. You can make an entire outfit just by manually inputting each option. We hit save. What shall we name this outfit? How about house? Because we're going to wear it around the house. Okay. How about a randomized outfit? Let's see. I'm feeling lucky. Let's hit that button. Ooh, a nice randomized outfit. A nice shirt. Okay. I definitely wear this out. It looks pretty tight. With naming your outfits, you can name them whatever you want, so you have a fun way to differentiate them from each other. Okay. So it changed the name to right. That's okay, because it was a right choice choosing that outfit. Alright, how about we make a generated outfit? By inputting the parameters you desire your outfit to have, you can generate outfits that meet the specified requirements. So let's do gray, cool, and casual. That's a nice outfit style. Nice. Okay, it generates an outfit that's gray for cooler weather, but it's still casual. Let's name it chilly. It's for those days when it's cold outside. Alright, done. Perfect. We made a couple outfits now. Alright, let's check out our outfits in the lookbook containing all our looks. And here are our outfits. You can see the chilies here, right next to the right choice, and the casual around the house with the unnamed outfit I made beforehand. So okay, let's wear one of these, huh? How about let's wear the chilly one? It's cold out today. So you can just hit wear, and now all the articles of clothing in the outfit are marked as worn, and we can check the laundry to clean them up. Metaphorically, of course, You'll still actually have to wash your clothes. This app doesn't do everything for you, but it makes it convenient to keep track of what you have worn and haven't. With that, these clothes are marked not worn again, and they're back in the closet, ready to be put in a new outfit. And here's the team that made the app possible, right in the About section, and that is iCloset.
Wait, how'd you get into my house?
We decided to develop on the Android platform because some of our members had some experience with Android applications before, and most of our members had experience with Java. When using Android Studio, the extreme ease of use given by both the IntelliJ platform and the design system, in which you can create entire XML files with drag and drop features, makes it an extremely powerful tool for Android developers new to app creation. And with that being most of our group, it was pretty helpful. A feature of Android Studio that we found particularly beneficial was the Shared Preferences object. By using this, we were capable of storing entire objects into internal memory, and then pulling them out again upon reloading of the app, along with the pictures of the clothing. We also used the Camera class, in which we accessed the phone's camera and then used it to store pictures upon the SD card that would later be accessed by our clothing objects. Another useful tool was Git, a version control software, and GitHub, a repository. It helped us keep track of the many aspects of the app we were working on at once, as a group. By creating a project, and then a repository, and several branches within it, we were able to keep several working versions of the app at once, and it had a long history of commits to the various branches we were working on. Definitely a start for me.
Hi, I'm Tyler. I'm the project manager for Team Siteful.
Hi, I'm Kimberly Vasquez, and I'm the business analyst.
Hi, I'm Alec, and I'm the senior system analyst.
Hi, I'm Chris, and I'm a software architect.
Hi, I'm Renu. I'm a software architect. Hi, I'm Christina, and I'm the software development lead.
Okay, I'm Bawal. I'm the algorithm specialist.
Hi, I'm Yadon. I'm database specialist.
Hi, I'm Isaac Garcia, and I'm the quality assurance team.
Hi, I'm Yuanmin. I'm the UI specialist.
It's been a challenging 10 weeks, and we've all worked hard and learned a lot as a group.
This app has been a fun introduction to Android, and I look forward to developing more apps in the future.
Before this quarter, I didn't really know what went into making an app. So it was really cool to see the whole process and how it came from an idea.
I worked on the theme preferences and the clothing view. I learned a lot about how to solve problems with my own research and by working with others.
I learned how much energy a team can generate in such a short period of time.
The most important thing I learned about this process is probably that through hard work and determination, anything is possible. So jot that down.
It's been a long but rewarding journey.
Working on this app has been an enriching experience.
We began as strangers, but finished as a team.